can call me Maria Leonora Teresa Patutuha. See, 22 years old, representing Barangay Tipa. May gabi kaninyong tana. My name is Patutuya ka na. My name is Pauline Erica May Sanchez, 22 from Barangay Mahilo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Macho the El Nino 2024 host traveled all the way from Manila, Philippines. No other than Miss Shai Chichi Estimada. Maayong gabi, happy fiesta! Barangay Tiglaw! In cooperation with KMS Production, welcome to the pageant and coronation night of Macho the El Nino 2024. And we have just witnessed our 5 lovely candidates and their grand production number wearing the creation of the one and only Kenny Montemayor Salem. And before we proceed to our next portion,